Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to Ravi Automobiles. Today in our workshop we have a Suzuki Celerio that has come for a fender accidental work on the left fender, and then instead of having to do the repair work, we have decided to replace the one with a brand new part from Maruti Suzuki. And then we also had damage on the headlight, and that's why we had to replace the headlight as well. So we just wanted to see how the fit goes, and then we started to paint the fender with all the procedures in place. We made sure that the paint we are painting with, the color is near 100% matched to the original one, or otherwise, because we did not have the permission to melt the color into the door, we had to do just the fender. So this is the finished product on it, and then when everything is ready, we inform the customer, and this is what the customer had to say. So if you have been so far into the video, and if you have really liked our works on the video that we have shown, please do contact us if you have any repair needs on your car. We are located in Vijayanagaram, and our contact number is 898-538-4993. Also check us out on YouTube for good videos that we have posted regarding the works at our workshop, and also the training courses that we offer in our workshop. And if you are nearby places like Vizag and Srikakulam, we'll be pleased to serve you as well. Thank you, and you have a very good day.